Hello, let me show you the controls of the Harley Davidson Sport Glide 2019. So the bike is keyless, well, keyless. It has a fob here that you keep in your pocket, and this is the key to lock the steering and the cases. So for the moment, you keep the key in your pocket. To switch on the bike, you press down this button. Okay, let's start on the left side. This button here will enable you to browse through the different pages of the display here. You can have the range, the clock, the RPM and the gear you're in, the odometer, trip A, trip B. You press and hold if you want to reset, and you have the range. Okay, you have the horn here. You press this button for I-beam. Okay, and you press this one to flash. Okay, turn signal with Harley Davidson, you have one on each side. To cancel, you press once more. It cancels by itself as well after a while. Here you have the cruise control. So to switch the cruise control on, you press this button. It now displays here. Okay. To set the speed, you press down. Once you have set the speed, you can accelerate or slow down. If you pull the clutch, the brakes, or you can push back the throttle as well, it stops cruising. And to resume, you press the lever up like this. Okay. This button controls the valve on the exhaust. You have 3 positions: closed, open, and half open. So let me quickly show you. So it's now currently closed. Now it's open. You double tap to close it halfway. And now it's closed. Now it's open. Okay. Okay, let's go to the right side. I switch it on again. This button is for hazards, and this button is to start. Turn signal on the right side is here. Okay, the fuel cap is here. Just unscrew it. You can put unleaded 95, 98. Okay, to lock the steering, you turn the handlebar to the left, and the lock, you use this key, and you lock the steering here. Okay. On the other side, you have a USB plug here. Okay. You can charge your phone in case of an emergency. Here, same key as the bike, as the steering lock. You can lock the cases. I suggest you keep the cases locked when you leave the bike, and the case opens like this with this lever. Okay. Okay, I think that's about it. If you have any questions, you have my mobile phone number on the contract, and enjoy your trip. Thank you.